So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to make Duet video in YouTube Shorts. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So to make a Duet video here in YouTube Shorts, it's pretty simple. Open up your YouTube application right here, and then head on to your Shorts.
The day was special.
So if for example you want this, here you want to press the remix button. So from there you can press the collab right here. There's even green screen and even cut this video, but we want to do collab. So next here, I only flip my camera. It's the black screen into your right. So basically when I put this up right here, like this, it's my camera. So you can actually make a good video in your YouTube Shorts now. And there you go guys, it's just that simple. So thank you for watching this video and see you again next time.